Dear children, so welcome to the second session. In the last session we discussed about the displacement chemical reaction. And now we will continue with the examples. The example is lead plus copper chloride give lead chloride plus copper. The formula for lead is Pb and the formula for copper chloride is CuCl2 and formula for lead chloride is PbCl2 and formula for copper is Cu. So here the lead is the element and copper chloride is a compound. So in that compound the copper element is less reactive. The lead is more reactive. So the copper is displaced as lead. It will form lead to chloride. And the copper is less reactive. It will remove as the element. So the equation is Pb. It is in a solid state. That is, lead is in the solid state and CuCl2 copper chloride is in the aqueous state. It will forms lead chloride. The lead chloride is in the aqueous state and it will form another one more product is copper. It is in the solid state. So this is the example for displacement reaction. And now we will see the activity. So take 3 iron nails and clean them by rubbing with sandpaper. Take 2 test tubes marked as A and B. In each test tube, take about 10 ml copper sulfate solution. Tie 2 iron nails with a thread and immerse them carefully in the copper sulfate solution in a test tube B for about 20 minutes. Keep one iron nail aside for comparison. After 20 minutes, take out the iron nails from the copper sulfate solution and compare the intensity of the blue color of copper sulfate solution in test tubes A and B. Also compare the color of the iron nail dipped in the copper sulfate solution with the one kept aside. So this is the activity. First, we have to take the 2 iron nail. The 2 iron nail, we have to dip them in the copper sulfate solution. We have to tie the iron nail with the help of thread, because if we not thread the iron nail means it will fall down and it's very difficult to take out the iron nail. So that's why we have to make a thread. We have to tie them. And so after 20 minutes, so what will happen, children? You can see here. So after 20 minutes, the iron nail, it is in the which state? It is in the solid state. The iron nail is dipped in the copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate, CuSO4. The copper sulfate is in the aqueous state. You can see now the color of the copper sulfate is what? It is in the blue color. So after 20 minutes, the iron nail is converted to copper. The iron nail will be converted to copper. So the copper here, it will be in the, it's in the solid state. And the copper sulfate solution, the copper sulfate solution is converted to iron sulfate, that is FeSO4. It is in the aqueous state. So here you can see the in the reactant, the iron nail, what is the color here? Gray color. It will be converted to copper, Cu. It is also in the solid state. What is the color of iron here? Copper, children? Yes, it is red color. So the iron is converted to copper, and the copper sulfate is converted to iron sulfate. Here you can see the color of this test tube. The blue color of the copper sulfate solution is converted to light green color. It will be converted to iron sulfate. So this is the reaction taking place. The copper sulfate is converted to iron sulfate because copper is less reactive. Iron is more reactive. The copper sulfate aqueous state is converted to iron 2 sulfate. It is also in the aqueous state. And the copper, it is in the iron, it is in the solid state. It will be converted to copper. That the red color of that nail, that indicates that copper. So the solution is iron 2 sulfate. And next we will see. So this is the equation. Fe is in the solid state and copper sulfate is in the aqueous state. It will forms iron 2 sulfate plus copper. So the solution is copper sulfate. So this copper sulfate aqueous state is converted to iron 2 sulfate. And this Fe is in the solid state. Iron nail will be converted to copper nail. And next is double displacement reaction. For that we will see the analogy first. The two different pairs of the dancers. So one pair is Pauli and Snooky and another pair is Peter and Joe. So they are the pairs, they are the dancers, and the instructor is trying to change the pair because the Pauli and Joe, they are a good dancers. If they paired means they will look good if they dance with the pair, if they change the pair. And Peter and Snooky is the another pair. So the instructor has to try to change the pair. One pair is Peter and Snooky and another pair is Joe and Pauli. So they will change the pair. They will exchange the pair. So instead of Pauli and Snooky, so instead of Snooky here, the Joe will displace here. So here, instead of Joe, the Snooky is displaced here. It's a double displacement reaction. So in the last naming reaction is displacement reaction, or we can tell it as single displacement reaction. So here only one displacement is taken there. So here the two displacements are taken there. So that's why we can tell it as double displacement reaction. And we will see the general form. So AB plus CD. So AB is a compound and CD is a compound. So here it will exchange the ions. Here the AC, it will form the one compound and BD is the another compound. So here the double displacement chemical reaction means any reaction in which exchange of ions between the two reactant occurs leading to the formation of two different products. So in the reactant, there is two compounds are there. So in the compound, in each compound, they are having the ions. One is cations and anions. Here, the ions are exchanged to form a new product is known as double displacement reaction. So simply we can tell it as double displacement reaction means the exchange of ions between the two reactant is known as double displacement reaction. We can see the example. The sodium sulfate plus barium chloride. It will form barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. You can see here. So this is the salt. Sodium sulfate is the cation. Sorry, in sodium sulfate, the sodium is cation and sulfate is anion. In barium chloride, the barium is cation and chloride is anion. So here, the exchange will be taking place. So instead of sulfate, the chloride will come here. It will form sodium sulfate. So here, instead of chloride, the sulfate will form here. So this is known as double displacement reaction. The exchange of ions will be taking place. So here, in sodium sulfate, the sulfate is replaced as chloride. In barium chloride, the chloride is replaced as sulfate. So this is the formula. Sodium sulfate Na2SO4, it is in the aqueous state, plus barium chloride BaCl2, it will form barium sulfate. The formula for barium sulfate is BaSO4 plus it will form NaCl. And next example is lead chloride plus potassium iodide gives lead iodide plus potassium chloride. So here the lead is cation and chloride is anion. Here the potassium is cation and iodide is anion. So here the chloride iodide. The chloride is displaced here. It will form potassium chloride and this iodide is displaced here. It will form lead iodide. So the product is lead iodide plus potassium chloride. So this is the product, that is PbCl2 plus Ki gives PbI2 plus KCl. And one more reaction example, that is calcium hydroxide plus ammonium chloride. Showing that calcium hydroxide, the calcium is cation and hydroxide is anion. So here in ammonium chloride, the ammonium is cation and chloride is anion. Here you can see the hydroxide is displaced here and this chloride is displaced with a hydroxide. So the calcium hydroxide plus ammonium chloride, it will form calcium chloride plus ammonium hydroxide. The exchange of ions will be there. So the formula is CaOH twice plus NH4Cl gives CaCl2 plus NH4OH. So this is the equation. So in that calcium hydroxide, calcium is cation and hydroxide is anion. So in that ammonium chloride, ammonium is cation and chloride is anion. So here the chloride is exchanged. It will form calcium chloride. and here the hydroxide is exchange here.